I'm really interested in learning. I like learning a lot of different things. I find different aspects of school interesting, and I just wanted to open my mind to see what's more appealing to me.
It was really special for me because at Lakewood in the CAP program, I learned how to use different 3D modeling like AutoCAD, Inventor, Fusion 360, and actually something that we used here, SolidWorks. So I was able to implement some of those things actually here. I helped design a push pin mechanism using SolidWorks. They gave me the drawing and I just kind of drew it up. And also because I want to study aerospace.
It's been a great opportunity not only for us, but for the students. First and foremost, the questions they ask. Very intelligent questions, and it's to the point. It kind of also builds the morale of our employees, seeing the young students around and seeing that's a great future ahead of us.
I think it's really useful to see how things that you're learning in school can be applied in the real world, especially in such a important place like this, where they're actually making parts that are going into things that fly and very critical components.
They started in the front of the office. I gave them an idea of what I do. We had them run through the engineering department, some parts on the floor, and then in our finishing department.
I just think that the beauty and kind of the artwork of a lot of the aerospace parts, like the fact that every detail is purposeful and kind of has an intention behind it, and the fact that here there's that amount of intricacy that goes into checking and all that, and I just really like kind of that dance with the intricacies of the part.
This is a really great learning opportunity, not only for school, but for work experience, for life experience. You're not just learning about school and different things, but you get to learn about how to actually control different things, how to learn different things, and different aspects of life that you wouldn't really learn in school. It's really cool.
Oh, I feed off of it. I get goosebumps seeing them here every day. So it's just seeing that it's a great opportunity for them, and it makes us feel good as an employee to see that we're helping them out in their future.